Okay, I think we just received this safety wear surgery kit from Oro, from Rich Global India, and I think this is a Michelin oxide sterilized kit, and the kit seems to contain 22 different individual products. Basically, there's a self-adhesive instrument table. There are 4 masks. There are adhesive table covers, 2 quantities here. There's Buffon cap. There are a couple of towels, 4 shoe covers, 1 tie back surgical gown, 1 drape, non-woven drape for the patient, and 1 instrument table cover, and 3 sponges, at least 4 sponges, which is a 3 to 3 4 sponge. So this is the whole pack as it comes. This is an ethylene oxide sterilized pack, and I'm going to just review it, just take it out. But it just give me a glove, so you might not use this again, but still. Okay, just to get an idea of what is inside, let's just go through it. So it comes packaged like that, and you have a nice, I think this will double up as the tabletop cover or a patient drape cover, so that should help. And then you have all the sterile products inside. You seem to have at least 2 towels here. So once you have your, before draping, once you wash, you can use these 2 towels to dry your hands before you come. So one is for the first assistant and the other one is for the surgeon. So this is fine. You also have loops. These are ear loop masks. So there are 4 masks. So probably they're looking at double masking, and again this is sterile. So maybe if you want, if you hold it up, somebody who is washed up can essentially hold the loops, and then they can place it behind your ear. So we have 2 of these. But technically in the theatre you're likely to use this before you get into the theatre. You also have 1 cap, and there's another one here. This is probably the patient sometimes we use. We sometimes run a fan at the back because the loops get really foggy. So sometimes patients use this cap, and otherwise one is for the doctor. But most of the time the doctors, all of us have caps in the OT or in the clinic from before itself. There is a nice gown. This surgical gown is a tie-back surgical gown. It's got 2 small pins here, buttons at the top, so that might help to position this, and that seems to be a nice small setup, so that this doesn't hang back or the back doesn't get open too much. And this is pretty cool. I don't know how many sizes there are, but I think this seems to be a medium, small medium size, and this tends to tie back. So this is one. The material is pretty good. It is a non-woven fabric, so it looks like it's quite tear resistant and pretty good. So this might be a useful product. We have another one of the same type. So we got another one here. So that's pretty useful as well. So the first assistant can have it. There are of course shoe caps, and these shoe caps are again useful. Used most of the time. These happen, just outside the OT. So I don't know what relevance they have. So they might want to be, these components might want to be, except the towels of course, these components might have to be before you're really washed up and entering into the theatre. So this is for the thing. The self-adhesive tabletop cover seems like a good idea. So if you have a Mayo stand or a surgical table, this can go in there, and then you have an adhesive strip here. So if you take off the adhesive strip, this can go and latch onto the table. So if you have a Mayo or if you have a big tabletop, this should go and stick and not fly away, especially the air conditioner blower and everything else. This fabric is also pretty good, and it looks pretty waterproof or liquid proof. It may not allow things to get beneath the topmost layer. So you have 2 of those. You also have sponges. I don't know, well, at least they don't have any of those lint, the small threads hanging out, so that's pretty nice. So these are soft gauzes, linting gauzes. And here you have a drape, which is a stick-on drape. So it's pretty useful, especially for for the patient. You can have a stick-on drape for the patient, and that helps. It doesn't allow this thing to keep falling off. So that seems to be a very good option. And this is fairly big, so it can be accommodated. Most of our patients usually have sedation, and they get cold after a while with the AC and everything. So this seems to be a good support. On top of this, we have our other drape which we can use, and this looks like a fairly tough material and might not allow water to pass through. So these are the various items that come in this. And so just to review the whole thing again, you got 2 towels which can come in. Okay, there are some materials here which are before you step in. So they may be shoe covers, muffle caps, and air loop masks. And once you open the pack, you have once you wash up and come, you have drying towels. So you have 2 drying towels here, and then you have gowns, one for the assistant and for the surgeon, and then you have an adhesive patient drape and an adhesive myostand drape or a table drape like this one. And I think that's it's a useful kit, and I hope it will be pretty much used by many. But all in all, the product wise, it seems pretty good. Packaging wise, if it can be more packed in a sequential manner, where things that are used before the OT and essential things in the OT, then that will help. But all in all, I think it's a pretty useful product. Thank you.